Your lips are so like pink in color. I can't even take them seriously right now.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Romain and Mary from Selling Sunset.
And you are watching us playing Truth or Dare with the kid. The dare is do your best impression of each other. I don't care. I don't like her. I don't want Davina at my wedding. Say something romantic in French.
Oh, that's fun.
Mon amour, bisous. S'il vous plaît.
So if it means my love, I want to kiss, please. There you go. You got it well.
Okay, do our best impression of one of these Selling Sunset co-stars. I can do one, I guess, with Christine. I don't have a ponytail to do that, but just you have to use your imagination. Hum lines to your some of your favorite songs. The other person has to guess what song it is. Oh!
No, you're a good singer. Don't worry about it.
Oh shit, it's so bad. That was supposed to be the pop star song.
Wow. Truth. Which Selling Sunset co-star would you least want to stand or desert island?
Be stranded on a deserted island. Right?
Do I have to answer?
Everyone knows.
Davina! Christine will be bad.
I think, yeah, I mean, I hate saying Christine because I think people just know we weren't getting along before, but we're better now. But because she's so high maintenance, I think she would suck on a deserted island. Okay, so dare, apply lipstick to your partner. Oh, honey, this is your color. Okay, see, I'm used to doing it to myself, not to other people. You're gonna look like it. God, you have such good lips, though. Okay.
Who is the better kisser? Is it really a question? We're talking about a French guy. Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna say that just because I love him, and I'm gonna.
Oh, just?
Well, I think it's always good to compliment your partner.
Yeah, good. You're right. But because I am.
You're a very good kisser.
Show us your last Google search on your phone. Me, my last research Google, I don't know if you can see, but it's a Caribbean hotel, Fairmont, because we're looking at holidays. So Fairmont Caribbean and Caribbean Club.
So my last one's with Thrills. It's where I had to pull up, and then Magic Spoon cereal. Yeah, I had to look up the new flavors. Of course, thank you.